Ems Chalked Up Treasures. My name is Emily. It's been quite a while since my last video. I've been very busy the last several months applying to graduate school. Initially, I was applying for marriage and family therapy, and I ended up applying to Arizona State University's Master's in Social Work program, and recently just got accepted. I'm in the Peach State, aka Georgia. This is where I grew up. I'm here visiting my grandmother, who I call my Mimi, and we are going to work on this beautiful entryway table today and fix her up and give her a whole new life. And I've got my little bud here. He's a little camera shy, but his name's Buddy, and he's gonna be here today supervising my work. And here is my Mimi.
And I'm Mimi. And my Emily, my granddaughter, is gonna do this nice piece of furniture in that peach color, which I like. And she told me last time she was here that she would do something for me, so I took the table out, and this is what she's gonna do. And she does a great job.
Thank you, Mimi, for introducing yourself. So as my Mimi mentioned, I'm going to be using a peach color here. We picked out a sassy peach to match my grandmother's sweet, sassy, southern personality. I'm gonna be using this paint here. We're going to be using Krylon. It leaves a chalky finish. I have my nice zebra brush here to work with this paint. So to begin, guys, we're going to go ahead and remove the hardware before we begin cleaning our piece. Probably just going to fall right out. Yup. Okay guys, so to clean this piece thoroughly, I'm going to just use some Dawn dish soap. I get asked a lot what I use to clean my pieces, and all I really use usually is something that is primarily acts as a degreaser, just to get all the dirt and grime off. So I'm going to go ahead and use my microfiber cloth here and scrub down this piece really nicely so we can take off all the dirt that's off this piece and have a nice finish on our furniture piece. As I mentioned earlier, guys, we are going to be using this Krylon chalky finish in the shade of Sassy Peach. I've never used Krylon before, but I was told that this paint is like an all-in-one paint, so it doesn't require any sanding or any primer, and that I can just clean the piece and go ahead and put the paint on. So this is going to be, like I said, my first time using this paint, so I'm kind of curious to see how it works without doing any sanding or priming. So we're going to give it a go and go ahead and start by using my zebra brush right here. The first coat on this entryway table. I'm going to go ahead and give it some time to dry. While it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and prep my hardware down here, do some cleaning with it, and go ahead and apply the first coat of spray paint. It's nice because the spray paint I'm using has a primer built in within the spray paint. We're going to go ahead and do a pink shade too. We are going to be using this Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover. Like I mentioned earlier, it has a primer and the paint combined, so it's going to give us that extra protection that we need for this hardware right here. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the first coat. We're going to give it some time, then I'm going to go ahead and spray another coat for additional coverage. Okay guys, I went ahead and finished a second coat on this entryway table. Now we're going to go ahead and go check on our hardware and see if we're ready to do a second coat. Guys, I went ahead and put the hardware back on, as you can see, and I went ahead and staged the piece. So it's all ready for my grandmother when she wakes up in the morning. I cannot wait to see her reaction.
Oh, wow. What a beautiful piece. Emily, thank you so much. I love it. You did such a great job. And we moved it a little bit, but I love the pink knobs. They are so pretty.
I'm so glad that my Mimi loved this piece and the way that it turned out. I think it's going to be such a wonderful addition to her home, and I'm so excited to flip more furniture pieces for y'all here on YouTube. Alright guys, go ahead and comment below what you thought of the transformation on this entryway table. I love how the colors tie together, and who knows, maybe in the future I'll go ahead and use some more bold, vibrant colors because I love how this turned out. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're able to see more furniture flipping content much like this one. Also, be sure to like my video to show support to the channel. Bye for now!